The products that have come out aren't motorcycles. At best, they are glorified scooters. This is not the way India is going to do adoption in the motorcycle space. We are talking about performance, we are talking about heat, we are talking about the rugged terrain, we are talking about cost, we are talking about how the rider rides, how the rider feels. Understand why motorcycling is so different from scooters. 56 lakh gear shifts. And that really told us that customers wanted choice. Customers wanted the ability to decide for themselves how the vehicle behaves and not being told how it should. Existing solutions, time and time again, can take care of problems in the 21st century. People end up going back to internal combustion time and time again. Why? Because we are not really giving them an alternate which makes sense. This is where our journey of the last 7 years, where we said we need to start first principles thinking. We need to solve for what the rider needs. It really has to be designed. It has to be built from grounds up. We've clocked close to 65,000 hours of riding. It translates into 21 lakh kilometers covered. This really talks about customers using this. We have seen a 25% range improvement across board for every single customer who has used this. This is really the freedom that needs to be given to a motorcyclist in India.